TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Tommy O'Brien, TFNN. It's 9 a.m. Wednesday, May 17th, and we have some action going on in these markets. Let's take a look at what we have. So jumping, we like to start with the VIX. And of course, if you're paying attention to what's going on in the market this morning, you might imagine that the VIX is getting some juice under it. And sure enough, it is. We're trading at 1193. We've got the S&P futures down about 14 at 2382. Dow futures down 120. NASDAQ futures down 32. Some of this, at least in some parts, stemming from the political story last night, of course. There's a memo from Director Comey talking about maybe from stating a conversation with Trump. Either way, political turmoil, maybe that will tie into the market and maybe that will slow down legislative, tax cuts, infrastructure, whatever it be. So let's jump over to the Nadex platform. So we have the VIX climbing this morning. Here is the S&P 500, and you can see accelerating even further this morning. So what's showing up here is yesterday morning, actually, I went in there. Let's take a look at our open positions. So with that VIX yesterday, I was taking a low probability, low risk trade where I went in there and I got 9 contracts for the 23.79, and the price I was selling them at was about 88.50. So you're risking 11.50 to make 88.50, and at that time, of course, you know, it was trading at almost 2,400, I think, 23.98 possibly, and so we've just eclipsed below that level. So of course, at this point, the bid offer is going to oscillate right around 50. You know, you could take off where I have a profit of $335, putting up about $100, but I'm going to let that play out a little bit today because we could get an acceleration to the downside. Jumping over crude oil, we have EIA numbers coming out at 10:30 Eastern. We'll be back here. We'll see how those numbers shake out. We had API numbers last night reporting a build, causing the decline. We've bounced back above $49. In the news, we had Target earnings of, let's see, they only declined 1.3% versus a forecast of 3.7%. You can see the type of environment retailers are in when you can drop 1.3% same-store sales, and the market loves you and trades higher. And Target this morning pre-market, is getting a boost, trading at 56.86, up as high as 58. And we have a treat. Larry Pesavento is back in his chair. 9 a.m. coming up right now, and a great night. Steve Rhodes, check him out as well tonight, doing a workshop for his subscribers. Thanks, folks. We'll see you back here at 10. Stay tuned for Larry.
In quiet markets, investors search for new trading opportunities. We'd like to introduce you to a new product that provides opportunities even in flat markets. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a new and innovative Chicago-based exchange registered with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their trading platform. Nadex never charges a fee to use their platform, which even includes real-time charts and full customization capability. Nadex's unique short-term binary options allow traders and investors to capitalize on strategies even when the underlying markets are quiet. Nadex's innovation has allowed them to come up with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com, or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors.